Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Ashton. We're coming back to you to make another video. Today I want to talk about the freaking amazing Peak Design tripod that just came in. I've waited far too long for this tripod to come out. It has been literally probably a year in the making, I think, waiting on this guy to get out of, I guess, production, distribution, whatever they want to call it. Either way, Peak Design, you guys have had me waiting for this thing entirely way too long, but I finally have my hands on it. I absolutely love this little sleeve that they give you, little case to carry this tripod in. As you can tell, it is extremely small by comparison to my head. Not very large, like 2 head lengths. Not bad at all, for a tripod at least. It's about the roundness of a water bottle. Freaking phenomenal, as you guys can see right there. Look at that. That is narrow, y'all. That is narrow. Better than any other tripod on the market. Let's take a look. Boom. As we look at the top, there is normally a plate that comes pre-installed there in which they want you to put on the bottom of your camera because this tripod does not have a little screw hole. They only want you to use the plate. Or, my small rig guys, anybody out there with a small rig cage, you can go ahead and just plop your camera right down in here. It works great with my EOS R. I will show you guys some shots of that here in a little bit, but I gotta grab another camera before I can do that because you guys are on the EOS R. Tripod! Look at this, y'all. It's freaking, it's nice, it's small. Look at how thin that is. That is ridiculous. It is as round as my lens and that is it. There's nothing more than just the lens. That's great, guys. This is awesome to see. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love this tripod. I'm loving the way it looks. I love the way it feels. They do put a little Allen key right there. That is so that you can tighten that plate on and off of your camera if you need to take it on and off. It's pretty dope that they include that. Additionally, as you guys see right there, that little hook on the bottom, see it? That little hook right there, that is used as a counterweight, so when your legs are fully extended and you want to put some more weight on here, you grab your backpack, which I have a Peak Designs backpack, so it'll fit right in there, no problem. And yeah, your tripod's good to go. Additionally, if you just spin and pull, yeah, and then boom, here comes a little smartphone adapter so that you can use your smartphone on your tripod if you need to. Personally, probably will never use that ever, like ever in my life. If I do, I will let you guys know. I will be surprised though. Just cool though that they do include that, and I'm trying to figure out, did I put it back in there? Yeah, I did. Cool. That's not bad. That's not a bad install, actually. I've never done that before. Let's jump outside. I want to show you guys this thing in action. I know we're kind of quarantined up, so we're going to practice our social distancing, and I'm going to go get a buddy to go with me real quick to the park. I don't know, actually. I don't know if Matt will go. I might have to get Sage. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I'll catch you guys at the park, and we'll talk about this tripod a little bit more. Hey guys, what's going on? I told you we'd catch you outside, and here we are. I got Matt and Sage with me. I said Matt or Sage, and well, I got both. Oops. This is the Peak Design tripod, as you guys can tell. It's actually really light, believe it or not. I even got the aluminum one, so it's technically the heavier one. Overall, I really like it. It's got some cool features such as this right here. For the head, you just twist that little ring, loosen and tighten. So if I want to put it right there, tighten it up, leave the camera right there, we're good. Want to go completely sideways for some vertical shots? Boom, throw it like that. Tighten her up, and we are good to go. I'm really impressed with the Peak Design tripod. The latches on here, if you want to take a look, actually very smooth. The tension on here is very nice, and they're not like latchy per se, like some people's tripods are. Not gonna name any names. Manfredo. Peak Design, you've done a really good job on this, and I've been very happy. I haven't used the smartphone thing, probably never will, to be honest. It's just kind of there. It's a nice feature, I guess. Big thing that I'm happy about though is how this connects. As you can see, it's a very quick disconnect type deal. Boom, pop the camera off. I do have a small rig cage on here, so it pops on, pops off very easily. Lock it, we're good to go. Camera's not going anywhere. It's very portable. It fits on the side of my Peak Design bag in the little pocket on the side like it's nothing. It's very easy to maneuver, very easy to take places, and I've been very impressed. Overall, as far as setup process, it's very quick and very easy. It takes maybe 10 seconds at most. It's very simple. Flick all those latches undone at the same time, and boom, all your legs can fling on out, lock it into place, you're good to go. Another great thing, I love it how when this head does come down to rest, provided that it's in the right location, which it's not, boom, it latches down, sits very snugly between all the legs right there. That's how another way that they were able to get it so nice and small per se. I can't really think of too much more to talk about. It's just a tripod at the end of the day, but it's a really good tripod. And if you are looking for something that's very small, very portable, something that's gonna be able to hold some weight as well, like I've got the EOS R on here with the 15 to 35 2.8L, so it's a very heavy setup, to be honest with you guys. Put the mic on here, the Ninja, the Atomos, everything works fine and it can actually support the weight. So if you're looking for something that's gonna be able to support some weight, something that's very nice, neat, and portable, definitely recommend the Peak Design tripod. Can't think of too much else, but we'll catch you in just a minute. We'll talk a little bit more. Boop! Almost forgot, guys, if you wanna take a look here, we can maybe walk through the different heights that this guy is gonna be able to go down to. So we'll collapse the bottom first. Boom, boom, boom. Oops, come on together. So that's one height. You've got that as an adjustable level per se. You can always do anything in between as well. We'll go ahead and do the second leg now. Go ahead and collapse that guy. Boom, boom, boom. Check that out. That's your next level of adjustment. So you can use that height as well. Oh, we need to go a little bit lower. Let's go ahead and knock down another leg. Boom, boom, boom. As you guys can tell, she is again getting smaller and smaller, but she still has room to go. We can still get even a little smaller. Boom, lock that side. Boom, lock that side. And boom, lock that side. That is the smallest that the Peak Design, no, I lied. If you push this lever, I haven't fully figured it out. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I haven't figured it out. But you can make these legs go flat as well, so it'll completely lay out flat. Pretty awesome, to be honest with you guys. I'm very impressed with how this Peak Design tripod has performed. I love the height adjustability. I love the weight of this guy. I love how it attaches to the camera. No more screws, no more having to thread a camera on there. It's just plop on, plop off. It's real simple, real easy. Thank you for watching. If you've stayed paying attention for this long as well, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. It means the world to me, and it means absolutely thing to you guys. Like, what the click the subscribe button. I'm over this. Lastly, leave me a comment down below what you want to see next. If it's more camera gear, if it's more one wheel stuff, more boosted board, whatever, we can do it. We're in quarantine. We ain't doing jack. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.